Hey, what's up everybody? Got something a little bit different here for you. This is something I've been playing around with, and I've been successful in the past, but haven't figured out a repeatable way to do it. So today I was working on it again, and I was able to come up with it, and here we go. Ta-da! Check that baby out. That is a top hat, and what's really cool about it is it's not just a top hat shape with a brim, but the brim has actually got the curls in the top hat like a real top hat would. So it's got a narrow thin brim, and then it's curled up just like a regular top hat, and it's quite difficult to pull off. I mean, literally, I had tried to do this 2-3 years ago a couple times and then gave up. And then I revisited it probably about a year ago. Was successful sometimes. Problem is that the brim is delicate when you're making it, to the point where it doesn't take very much to cut through it or crack it or break it. Once it's done, it holds up very well. I mean, acrylic is really awesome stuff. So let's get closer in here and see if this will focus closer. Probably not. I have my camera back too far, so we're not in enough light. There we go. That's it, right? Okay, there we go. So, is my calipers in the shop? This one here, I don't even know what I'm going to price this thing at, because this thing here is coming in at 1 inch long. The top of the hat is 9/16, and the brim, I don't want to scratch the brim. It's roughly a little bit wider than the 9/16, because I remember how it was done. So I am going to try and figure out how much this thing's going to cost and put it up on the site and see if somebody buys it. If somebody does, I will make another one and replace it, and so on and so on. So if you're interested in this, let me know. If you want certain colors or a slightly different shape you would think would look cool, throw it in the comments below. And let's see if I could start a new trend of hat-styled paracord beads. All right, so that's it. I got it. I finally nailed it. Nailed it. All right. So don't forget to like, follow, and share, and also go over to Instagram and check us out over there. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.